Ideas4Landscaping is a comprehensive collection of 7,250 landscaping designs, ideas and themes, and about 300 pages of gardening landscape guides. I've just bought the entire package and this is my honest review of the product. I will be covering what I like and dislike. What is Ideas4Landscaping? The product offers step-by-step blueprints and pictures of over 7,250 different landscaping designs. The creator, Helen Whitfield, offers a simple, efficient and user-friendly online gallery for landscaping inspiration to design your dream landscape. Inside this massive database, you'll find thousands of landscaping pictures in 60-plus categories consisting of backyards, front yards, gardens, patios, decks, walkways, lawns, and many more. This massive collection of photos, ideas, and simple step-by-step details is designed to help homeowners make some progress with their plan to liven up their home with the perfect landscaping. The pros. Below are some of the points I was really impressed with. A huge range of designs to choose from. This is a complete landscaping resource with detailed diagrams, complete with color pictures and examples on many types of landscaping designs. It is everything you'll need to get started in creating the perfect outdoor living experience for you and your family with gardens, pools, decks, pathways, sheds, gazebos, hedges, driveways, waterfalls, ponds, patios and walkways. There are multiple designs available for each types of landscape, so you have some variety to choose from. Suitable for beginners or pros. All the designs are suitable for beginners and professionals. I'm somewhat new to landscaping, but I found most of the projects can be completed in one weekend. Great bonuses included. The bonuses you get with this product are great. The bonus videos on landscaping is great for beginners who want an easy-to-follow video guide. There are also some great value books added in, including an organic vegetable farming guide which I found very useful. Full-color pictures. I appreciated the amount of full-color pictures and diagrams that are included. I'm a very visual person, so it is easier for me to follow a picture or diagram instead of reading paragraphs. Money-back policy. The 60-day money-back guarantee is always appreciated. I like seeing a merchant who stands behind their product 100%. It puts the consumer at ease, knowing that they aren't going to lose a cent if they choose to not use the system. What I didn't like. It is cool that I get instant download access, but it also takes away the joy of a printed collection. The designs are all in downloadable online gallery, which is great if your main purpose is to stop using paper and save the trees. But it can be quite a hassle if you want to have your design sitting snugly next to you as you build your boat. However, you do have the option of printing everything out, that way, you don't have to go online to view it. Do you recommend it? Yes. Ideas4Landscaping is a great collection any way you look at it. It is suitable for beginners as well as seasoned landscapers alike. It offers great value for money considering the one-time price you pay for such an extensive system. Ideas4Landscaping gets 2 thumbs up from me. Important note, I've just been told Ideas4Landscaping is currently running a huge promotion. Normally it sells for over $297, Helen have slashed that price down to $47 for now. I'm told the price is going back up within a matter of days. So if you're at all interested, now is the time to buy Ideas4Landscaping. To get this product, check the link in description.